Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to vectorify any image in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already created a new empty project, so I just need to add an image. I will use the same one. And I just added a new page because if I try to do it during the process, I will lose everything. So if you would like to add the image to a new page, you have to create the new page first, or you add it to the existing page and move it later, but I prefer this way. So I just click on the original page, click on edit, scrolling down to the apps and search for Vectorify. And here we have two different options with a full color on black and white. Start with the black and white because it's easy. We can change the threshold, but I think it's best to keep it as an original and convert to vector. And here we can simplify it. As you can see, with this bar we can move from 0 to 128, and it's very simplified. And add into the design, and here is my simplified vector image. Okay, it's already lost it, and just have to create, even if you would like to change the settings, have to create a new one. But here, going to full color and convert to vector, that will be a bit interesting because we have more and more settings here. As you can see, if I'm scrolling down, we can edit colors and shapes. If I click on it, we can add any colors. I don't know what does it mean. Okay, shape means here. I never tried it, so we can create, we can add a different color also for every part of the image. But if we move it back, so use the original one. That was not original, I think. So starting over, and okay, the image was okay. We already used the black and white image. Sorry. So going to the edit again, Vectorify, full color. Why the full color is black and white also, right? Because in the wrong image. Okay. Now I understood. Yes, black and white, full color, convert to vector. Okay, now that was my mistake, sorry. I selected the black and white image instead of the original color one. This is why was the original vector image was already black and white. So here you can see that this colorful vector image, and we can change the number of the colors, and also we can simplify it if we want. Just simplifying a bit. We can reduce the number of the colors. So if you're just reducing back to 2, we are already going back to the black and white, or any 2 colors if you would like to change. So here we have 12 colors, and we can use these preset color palettes if we want, or just going back to the original one. Or here with the added colors and shapes, we can create our own color palette. And even as you can see it before, we can colorize the shapes, which is not really a shapes, just a different part of the image by individually, which is also a pretty cool thing. So just adding to the design and just moving down, moving further down to get the last empty page. So as you can see, here is the vectorified image. Black and white, which is more like with silhouette, but this is also looks pretty nice. And this is the way how we can create this vectorified image from any normal image in Canva. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and help me to reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling in Canva, just let me know in a comment section and I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find short form Canva tutorials as usual. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.